What is binary number? So guys, binary number is nothing but a way of representing numbers with just zeros and ones. Simple. Here 0 or 1 means digit or bit. Okay, so our computer or processor cannot understand our plain language, or it cannot understand our programming language. It will only represent and store data in binary format, which is nothing but a combination of zeros and ones. Okay, so that is about binary number. Now I want to convert this character A into binary number. How do we do that? So guys, we cannot directly convert character into binary number. First we need to convert that character into decimal number, and then that decimal number we can convert into binary number. Okay, so for that, let's give a unique number to this A. So I'm gonna write here something called, let's say here we can write something called A, and I'm gonna give it something called 65. Okay, now this is a unique number which will represent character A. Likewise, we can have B, which will have, let's say, 76. This will uniquely represent B. Likewise, we have H, right? And for this, maybe let's give 106. Okay, I'll assign 106. Now like this, we can have different characters and we can have unique number for each character. The point is, we cannot remember all these unique numbers, right, which are representing characters. So for that reason, I'm gonna store these things in a separate document. So I'm gonna store all these things in a separate document. Let's say this is the document. Okay, here I will have all these things, A equal to 65 and B equal to 76, something like this. Okay, now this standard is known as character set. Okay, character set. So character set is nothing but representing a character as a number. Simple, each character will get a unique number, and that character is represented by that unique number. Like here we have A equal to 65 and B equal to 76, like that. Okay, so this is about character set. Now the popular character sets that we have are ASCII, which is nothing but ASCII, and Unicode. Now next step is, we need to convert these decimal numbers into the binary data or binary numbers that processor can understand, right, or computer can understand. So for that, let's go to next page. Yeah, let me take a new word. So I'm gonna write here something called hi. Okay, now first step is, we need to convert this into decimal numbers, right? So for that, we need to use a character set. So we need to use a character set. Here I'm using Unicode. Okay, so I will write here Unicode. Awesome. Now let's give 751 to the H, and let's say 625 to the I. And these are not exact numbers, guys. These are just random unique numbers that I'm giving. If you want exact number that represents H, you need to go to the Unicode documentation. There you will find that. Now next step is, we need to convert this into binary data. To perform that, or to do that, let's use a format called UTF-8. Okay, UTF-8. So this is the format. Sorry. Yeah, this is the format, right? Okay, now this is called character encoding. Actually, this step is called character encoding, which is nothing but we are representing decimal numbers into the binary data. Okay, so that is character encoding, right? Now what is UTF-8? So guys, UTF-8 is nothing but Unicode transformation format, which is an encoding system which will convert Unicode into binary data. Okay, it will convert any Unicode number into the binary data, into the binary number. Okay, that is about UTF-8. Simple. And 8 means, particularly 8 means, it will provide 8 bits. That is nothing but, let's say I want to convert this 7 into binary number. For this 7, it will provide 8 bits. That means I can represent this 7 into 8 bits in binary format. That is nothing but 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, like this. I can have 8 bits. The benefit of this is because there are some characters, there will be some letters or characters in different languages which will require more bits to represent. For that reason, this will help us. This 8 will help us. Simple. Okay, so for this 751, we can write something called 01, 00, 10, 11, something unique, but it should be 8. Okay, so that is about UTF-8. And also it will convert this binary string, binary code into Unicode number. Right, vice versa, it can do both things. So that is about UTF-8. Likewise, we have different formats. Let's say, let me go to Google and let me type UTF formats. Yeah, you see we have UTF-8, UTF-16, 32, right? So that is what I'm saying. The reason I'm explaining this is because in the next video we're going to talk about file system, pipelines, buffer, reading data from files, writing data into the files, all that things. I don't want you guys to confuse when you first time hear this UTF-8. So in the next videos I'm going to explain all these things step by step. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.